Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate auto lock when screen turns off on a Samsung Galaxy phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application, and after the settings application has been opened, we can go to the lock screen setting. This one. Click on this lock screen setting, and here you have to click on secure lock setting. Okay, and if you want to turn on the auto lock when the screen turns off, you can click on auto lock when screen turns off right here. And here you can set when the phone will be locked after the screen turns off. Then, for example, I'm gonna go with 15 seconds. Okay, and now it's done. And now the auto lock has been activated with the duration I have set. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate auto lock when screen turns off on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.